Foxit DMS, Foxit's document management system, keeps PDF work connected inside Foxit PDF Editor. At my company, Foxit DMS is the shared document hub where agreements stay organized and current. I have a vendor agreement that needs edits, version control, permissioned sharing, and a clear next step. I can open the managed agreement directly in Foxit PDF Editor and keep the workflow connected. In the Foxit DMS pane, I can see the vendor approval workflow folder. The vendor agreement sits alongside related NDAs, scanned contracts, signed records, and audit files. When I open any of these documents in Foxit PDF Editor, I can edit the managed file in place without breaking the workflow connection. Foxit DMS checks the document out for my session automatically. I'll make a small edit directly in the PDF so changes remain synced to the managed DMS document record. The saved file returns to its Foxit DMS folder where version history, governance, and collaboration continue automatically. The file is checked back in so the team can access the updated version. Let's go back to Foxit DMS to see the checked-in file. Here, I can review recent activity, and the Details pane retains the complete version history. When the edit is ready, I can share the managed PDF and move it toward the next step without sending a loose copy, right from within Foxit PDF Editor. I'll invite the legal reviewer, so access follows DMS permissions. I can also use a public link when the workflow allows it, while still controlling access. From there, the same managed file can continue to review, e-sign, or archive, depending on the workflow. That keeps edits, versions, sharing, and next step activity tied to the same managed record. Because the file stays managed in Foxit DMS, the latest version remains easy to find from Foxit PDF Editor. Foxit DMS in Foxit PDF Editor helps legal preserve audit trails, finance protect versions, and operations keep teams aligned without file scatter. Visit foxit.com/document management system to explore DMS. Or if you're already a Foxit PDF Editor customer, sign in and access it free today. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.